Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the remaining problem of the factorization. So basically we have done a lot of exercises. So this is the last exercise. So we will discuss example as well as exercise part. Okay. So at first you should get ready with your copies and easy problems are there. You should try also, you can practice also. Okay, without help of solution, without help of the videos. At first you should try, after that you will see the videos. Okay, so now let's start everyone. Today we'll discuss what? Factorization of perfect square trinomials. Factorization of perfect square trinomials. Perfect square, we know that we have discussed before also. Perfect square, we don't know sir, we discussed in previous year. So here trinomials is telling, why sir? Here telling trinomials means, I told you here how many terms are there? 3 terms. Okay, so 3 terms are there, so that's why here it is telling tri means what? 3. So that's why here it's telling trinomials, and it will come in a perfect square. Okay, so that's why this topic is what? This topic is called factorization of perfect square trinomials. Trinomials means actually our basic formula means like that. We know that the formula a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula, what sir? A plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Similarly, a minus b whole square formula, what sir? A minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, these two that formula is very important. So here see a plus b whole square formula, here all signs are positive, but here negative sign is there in middle, so that's why here it is coming in middle, negative sign. So one positive, next negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, this way will come. Understood? Okay, so with the help of this formula, two formulas basically, we will do all the problems, example part as well as exercise part also. And before also we did so many problems, and with the help of which formula sir? A square minus b square, this is the main formula basically. A square minus b square formula, what sir? A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Clear or not? A plus b into a minus b. So with this formula, no, we did before so many problems. Clear? Sometimes we are using this type of formula, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula, but basically we did that with the help of a square minus b square formula. Clear? Understood? Okay, so now just we'll try what that problems means. We will take the problems. First example is telling here, say a square plus 14a plus 49, a square plus 14a plus 49. Clear or not? Okay, so with the help of these formulas we will do it. Okay, so how to do this one sir? Just check it. See here, at first see all signs are positive. All signs are positive, that means positive sign will come. Clear or not? Positive sign will come. Clear? Okay, so our a plus b whole square formula, we know that a plus b whole square formula, what sir? A square plus 2a plus b square. Clear or not? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So that means with this formula, just we'll apply this formula only basically. So see, we can write what sir? A square, okay, plus next 2ab, 2 at first write 2. A means here a only, b we don't know. See 2a is coming here, given what sir? In the question 14 are given, so 2a taken, so left what? Left for 7, no? 11, 7 left. Clear or not? Because 2a into 7, that time 14a will come. 2a into 7, that means 14a is coming. So that's why 2 into a into b. So b means what, sir? B 7. Okay. Plus 49. 49 means what? B square means 7 square. Understood or not? Just check it. So now form is coming, that our formula is coming. That form, square form is coming. A plus b whole square formula. Clear? So here a means what, sir? Here a means a and b means 7 only. B means 7 and a only, a is there in the question. So that means we can write here. So for this formula we can write what? A plus b whole square formula. A plus b. So here a means a and b means what, sir? 7. So a plus 7 whole square. This is the answer. We can write or not, sir? Yes. Understood? Very easy. Just only two formulas will apply. One a plus b whole square formula, another one a minus b whole square formula. Understood? Okay. Next problem, sir. Next problem take. Next problem is telling, question number 2. 25 minus 30x, 25 minus 30x, 30x plus 9x square. This is the question. Okay, question clear? Okay, so at first we will check for, sir, sign positive, all signs are positive or not. Here see in middle negative sign is there, so that means we will apply which formula? A negative formula means a minus b whole square formula. Okay, clear? Okay, so 25 means we can write what, sir? 25 means we can write what? 5 square. 25 means we can write what? 5 square. Understood? Next, minus 2. So a square minus 2. Next what? A means what? A means here 5. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next b will come. B will come. Clear? See, 30x was there in the question, 30x, but here we are getting 2 into 5, 10 is coming, so means 3 left, because 10 3 is 30. Okay, and another x will come. Clear or not? So now see, it is coming 30x. Why? Because 2 5 is 10, 10 into 3 30 and 1x, so 3x, this 3x will keep it together. Okay, so this is what, sir? B. Okay, plus 9x square. 9x means what, sir? 9x means 3x whole square. Up to this one clear? Clear? So here 3x means what? B, and a what, sir? A 5. A equal to 5 only. This is a. So now it is coming. A minus b whole square formula is coming. Yes, a minus b whole square formula was there. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here also coming 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 3x plus 3x whole square. So that means we can write what? A minus b whole square. So a means 5 minus b means what? 3x. So 5 minus 3x whole square. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Understood? I hope clear, and even in doubt please inform me, so I will help you again. Okay, and easy problems are there, so basically with the help of these two formulas we will solve all the problems basically. So that's why you should try also, no problem that one. Basically those good students, they can try at first, after they'll see the solution. Okay, next question, see. Next question is telling here 9 z to the power 10, 9z to the power 10 minus 12 x, 12 what? 12x y square. Yes, x y square z to the power 5, I think. Yes, actually that is not clear, so that's why that is the problem. 9z to the power 10, I am writing the question number 3. 9z to the power 10 minus 12x y square z to the power 5, okay, plus 4x square y plus 4x square y to the power 4, 4x square y to the power 4. This is the question. So what to do, sir? Here, see, at first we can take any common portion. I think is common is there. Common is there or not? Common is there. Common is there. Yes. So what to do here? Try it at first. What to do? See, actually here power given 10, so that is the problem. So that's why we can write 9 means 3 square. No, 9 means 3 square. Okay, and here z to the power 10 given, so that means we can write z to the power 5 whole square. We can write or not? Why? Because 3 square means 9 and z to the power 5 whole square means what? Z to the power 10. 5 into 10, 5 into 2 here 10. Clear or not? Coming? That's why we are writing here in bracket 3 into z to the power 5 and outside power square. Clear? Clear? So this is what? 9z to the power 10. Okay, next minus, sorry. So next what to do here? Next what to do? Next we will write minus is coming, after that what? 2ab. So at first we will write 2. A means what, sir? Here a means in bracket 3 z to the power 5 is coming, so write it here 3 into z to the power 5. This is a. B what, sir? B, see here 2 into 6 what? 6 is coming, no? Here 12 given in the question, 12 given, so that means 6 came and 6 left. 6 left or not? 6 left. Try to understand. But this is actually, see, 12 means 2 into 3 6. 6 already taken means 6 left, or actually here multiplication will do, no? Means division will come, not addition or subtraction. When 6 taken means only 6 will come, not like that. 6 taken means what? 12 divided by 6 means 2 will come, not 6. That is very important. Sometimes we can write that by mistake also we can write 6 taken means 6 left, not like that. Okay, so here basically the division will come from 12. 6 taken means 12 divided by 6. Okay, so 2 left, so 2 will come. Understood? So that means we can write here 2. Okay, and remaining portion what, sir? X is there. Remaining portion x is there, just I'm writing here x, and y square also is there, y square. So this is what, sir? This is B. Try to understand. So here a means 3z to the power 5, this is a 3z to the power 5, and b what? B 2x y square, that is what? That is B. Okay, plus, next plus 4x square y to the power 4. 4 means what? We can write 2 square. Okay, x square means x only we can write, and y to the power 4. Y to the power 4 means y square whole square. We can write or not? Y square whole square. Understood? Clear or not? 4x square y to the power 4. 4 means we can write 2 square. X means x square. Here we are writing in the bracket, no? The 2. Why 2? Because 2 square means 4. X means x square is coming, and y to the power 4 was there in the question, in the given question. So that's why we are writing here y square whole power 2 means y square whole square. Clear? Understood? So that is what? B. That is B. Clear? Okay, so now it is coming what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a means 3z to the power 5, so I'm writing here 3z to the power 5. Plus sign will come or minus sign will come? Minus sign will come, because in middle minus sign is there, so that's why minus sign will come. So minus. Next 2x, b means what? 2x y square, 2x y square, and whole square, whole square. So this is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Very easy. Okay, so next problem, see, sir. Next another 3 problems also is there in the example 1, so we'll practice it. Just see the question and write it and try it. Okay, so I'm writing here question number 4, 32p. Yes, 32 p by 3q, okay, plus 64 p square by 9q square, 9q square plus 4 plus 4. This is the question. 32p by 3q plus 64p square by 9q square plus 4. This is the question. Very, very important. Question number 4. Okay. So what to do here? See, at first square form means this one we can write, and 4 also we can write. Anyone we can write. Either 64 p square by 9q square. This term we can take it first, and otherwise 4 we can take it. But that 32p by 3q yes, that one will come in middle. Okay, that 2ab form, 2ab form. Okay, so I'm writing at first 64 p square by 9q square. So 64 p square means 64 means what? P. 8p by 9q means what? 3q whole square. That is what, sir? A square. Clear? 8p, 8 means what? 8 square means here 64, so that's why 8 in bracket we are writing here 8. Next p square, next here denominator 3q, 3q means 9q square. Okay, next plus 2ab. So 2a means what, sir? A 8p by 3q, 8p by 3q. Clear? Clear or not? Next 2a. B means what, sir? B don't know. B don't know means, see, in the given question what? 32p by 3q was there. Okay, so in A we are getting 3q and 8p also got it. So, and whatever which one left here from 32 denominator, okay, numerator 32p was there, we are taking 8p, so p also taken, so 32 8 taken means 4 left. Clear or not? 4 left, so 4 will come. Clear? 4 will come. See, 4 will come. Another thing also, 2 also here taken, 2 also had taken from 4, 2 taken here, so another 2 will come. Clear or not? Because total 32, 8 into 2 16 is coming here, so another 2 will come here. Clear? 8 is 16 and 2 will come because 32 was there, so that's why. So 2, so only 2 will come, so this is B. Okay, and next what, sir? Here 4 is there. 4 means we can write what? 2 square. 4 means 2 square. Okay, 4 means 2 square. So now it is coming what? This is A. Okay, and this is B. This is B. So A square plus 2A plus B square is coming. So that means A plus B whole square formula. So means 8p by 3q plus 2 whole square. Clear or not? 8p by 3q plus 2 whole square. Understood? Easy? Very easy. Just your concept should be clear. And if your concept clear, no, you can do easily because same process, only positive sign in middle, otherwise negative sign, but process is same. Okay, terms are same. Clear? A square plus 2a plus b square, otherwise a square minus 2a plus b square. See, that terms are same. Clear or not? Either positive or negative, we should just expand like that. Okay, a square 2ab and b square, that 3 terms will come. That's why trinomial is telling. Clear? Okay, next what? Next question, see, sir. 8x square, 2x square he is telling. Yes, 2x square plus 3y square minus 2 root 6 xy. Very easy question and important also. So just write the question and try it. Just little bit I am just erasing. Okay, after that I will discuss it, and if you can do, so do it also, no problem. Then try it at first. Okay, okay, try it first. And after writing the question, you should check it once, because that positive sign or negative sign is there, so even mistakes or problem will arise, means you won't get your answer, you won't get the answer. Okay. So see what to do.